Hopefully come out right because I've been watching them videos and I'm like, oh, I got this.
What's the worst that could happen?
Hey, Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
I always wanted to have hair just like a girl named Jessica. I tried to do a bun, but my bun wouldn't stay up.
The hair is great. It's me. I'm the problem.
When I come down, they just love me. Certified player, they gon' hate me. True hood nigga, I bet you dig me. Got the money in the chain, and you're jocking me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a first time wig install. It's my first time ever installing a wig. I got this wig from Sogoodhair. I don't know if you can see that. I got it within like 3 or 4 days. I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. I love the packaging, it's so sleek. So it came with 2 wig caps, the wig, and a elastic band. Now wait a minute, where is my... Everybody else got some lashes. Where my lashes at? Dang. I ain't got no lashes, but usually I seen other YouTubers got lashes with their wigs. So I'm going to go ahead and open the bag, pull out the wig. Ooh. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like. It's a short curly bob, adjustable straps. This hair, this texture is so pretty, it's so shiny. Hopefully come out right because I've been watching them videos and I'm like, oh, I got this. So hopefully I got this. I'm running my fingers through it. Minimal shedding. The hair length is 14 inches. It's 150% density. It's a curly wig. It does advertise as bleached knots, but I think that you should go back in there and bleach knots. It has a pre-plucked hairline. I'm gonna go in and try off of what I've seen and pluck the hairline. I see a little bit of baby hair, so it does have a little baby hairs. Now I'm all about baby hair, so I'm definitely gonna add some. It's a middle part. I do have a coupon code JH10 and you can save $10 off of the wig. All the rest of the information will be in the description box below. I've seen a lot of good reviews and that's why I decided to review this hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm just showing y'all the wig on the mannequin. So I'm just mixing some 30 developer and quick glue together. Now y'all, I did put it on the wig and everything, but somehow them clips got lost in the sauce. So unfortunately you won't be able to see those, but anyway, so it don't even matter. Then I took some Iso Plus shampoo, the neutralizer, to stop something, shit, I don't know. So then I had to dye the hair jet black because I accidentally dyed the actual hair and the knots didn't look good. It's just everything was wrong. Everything. I'm just showing y'all what it looked like after I dyed it. And this is me attempting to pluck the wig. That was a fail as well.
I got this. I got this.
So then it was wig cut time. What could possibly go wrong? Shit. Everything. So I tried to follow the steps that I saw on many YouTube videos, and again, it was a fail.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad!
I feel like this was the easiest step, and I couldn't even do this. So at this point I'm at the last step and I already know things are about to go even worse, but I'm hanging in there trying.
What we've got here is failure.
And then I put this wig on my head. I don't know how. I don't know. I took some Lotta Body. You can never go wrong with Lotta Body. I took some of that just to sleek it down so that I can do the baby hair. That side right now, it don't look that bad. Y'all, this hair is actually gorgeous and I do recommend it. I just don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Shit. Yeah, I need to fix these baby hairs. It don't look bad from far away. Look, that's just a line. But up close, sis. Probably do look bad from far away. Shit, y'all probably shaking y'all heads. Maybe I should have watched one more tutorial. I feel like it's too far forward too. I would honestly recommend this if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, like me, then have somebody install it for you. The hair is great. It's me. I'm the problem. When I do more wig tutorials, I'm gonna have somebody bleach the knots and probably install it and then give my review on it. Let me FaceTime my friend.
Hey girl.
Bitch.
What?
Say hi to my YouTube.
Hey girl.
Look at this hair. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing now. Lord, the hair pretty alright.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
I did. I watched like 10 videos before I did it. And I was like, I got this. I'm gonna do it. I got this. Girl.
Well, the man's cute, but the hair is really, really cute.
I know. Oh my god.
It's really not that bad. It's really nice. The hair is really pretty.
Oh Lord, I don't know what I'm doing, Danielle. Help me.
You want to go out?
Hell no. What? I'm gonna get better though. I'm gonna get better.
So what do you dude it up for?
Dude it up? What is dude it up?
Your makeup and your face on.
Once again, this is Sogoodhair curly in the 14-inch 150% density. It's a lace front wig. It advertises as knots being bleached, but I think that you need to go in and bleach the knots yourself. It does have you know, a nice hairline. I messed it up. All of my information will be in the description. All of my information will be in the description box. As far as my coupon code and everything else. So you guys can give me some tips on what I can do better next time so I won't look like a boogaboo. Let me know in the comment section below. When I first got it, it was so soft. Even when I was washing hair, it was so soft. Like I said, I do believe that I overprocessed it, and that's why it's not as, you know, luscious as it and soft as it once was. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thumbs this video up, like, comment, give me an A for effort. You know. My forehead looking like a crunch bar. Stupid job got me stressed out. But you know, it's alright. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna